Look at the beautiful photos. Can you believe they are created by artificial intelligence in seconds? Hi, welcome to AI Wiki. In this video, I will introduce an innovative program that is very useful and many people are using, but you may not know it. Stable Diffusion is a deep learning, text-to-image model released in 2022. It is primarily used to generate detailed images conditioned on text descriptions, though it can also be applied to other tasks such as inpainting, outpainting, and generating image-to-image translations guided by a text prompt. Its code and model weights have been released publicly, and it can run on most consumer hardware. This marked a departure from previous proprietary text-to-image models such as dall-e and Midjourney, which were accessible only via cloud services. So, you still cannot do everything because of the law, but you can now draw everything. Even this picture is created by Stable Diffusion. If you want to try now, turn on your browser and go to the Stable Diffusion website. From the top of the main page, go to the playground. Enter the item that you want to draw in the first text box. Below is a negative prompt, which is something that you don't want. For example, if you draw an apple, it will usually be red. So, if you want an apple that is not red, you may need to enter red for the negative prompt. The positive prompts I try are realistic couples, back-to-back, night, and restaurant. Negative prompts are easy negative, paintings, sketches, etc. You may be not satisfied with either my result or yours. Unlike the beautiful photos that you may see on the internet. So, what is wrong? Well, the better quality, the more work is needed. High-quality photos usually require detailed positive and negative prompts, inpainting, the right model, LoRa, ControlNet and upscale. These techniques are complicated, so I will talk about them later. Thank you for watching AI Wiki. Please subscribe, press the bell, set the notification to all, like and share. Thank you. See you next time.